Well, good morning, folks. In fact, it's afternoon now. I understand Boris the pig has he's given up on the Ranger, and he's jumped onto Purple Tractor. Now, Boris, come on, get back in the Ranger. Come on, mate. I know you're packing one. This is the tractor that the ladies at driving from Greymouth to Hokitika on Saturday. Now come on, mate, off you go. We'll get the door open for you. Hang on, here we go. I think he's forgotten that he's the Wild Foods pig. Oh well, I can only do what I can do. We'll catch you later.